Hey guys, welcome back. So today I thought I would do a what I eat in the day video. I love watching these videos. They're by far my favorite videos to watch right now. So I thought I would take you along and just kind of show you everything that I'm eating today. So we're gonna start off with breakfast. As you saw, I just chopped up a bunch of things. I'm going to be making an omelet with mushrooms, spinach, green onion, some cheese, and that is what I'm gonna have for breakfast with some fruit. So let's go ahead and start cooking our omelet. All right, we're gonna start by cooking up the vegetables. So I'm gonna start with my mushrooms because those will take the longest. And I'm gonna heat those up. All right, now for the eggs, we're gonna cook it really low and slow. So I'm gonna turn it really low and heat up just a tiny bit of olive oil. Pour the egg in. Okay, this is perfect. You can tell that it's not sticking to the bottom at all. And now you wanna add your veggies and anything you're gonna put in the center before it gets too dry in the center. So I'm gonna throw in my mushrooms and my spinach. Top that with some cheddar cheese. Okay, and then I'm gonna try to flip it. Perfect. I'm gonna top it with some green onion, a little more salt and pepper, and some hot sauce. All right, so we have the omelet, and then I just have a bowl of grapes and raspberries. I am obsessed with fruit, as most of you already know. This omelet looks so good, and it's huge, so it'll be super filling. I'm sure if any of you are moms, you know you don't have a ton of time to eat, so I feel like when I do eat, I like to make something that will fill me up for a while. I underestimate omelets. I haven't made one in a long time. Also, I am obsessed with green onions right now. I think they are so good. A nice thing about omelets is, well, they're healthy, and also you can kind of use whatever you have in the fridge. Like, I just threw together whatever vegetables I had in the fridge, but if you had like zucchini or like tomatoes or even like avocado or anything that you need to use up, I feel like this is a perfect thing to make. Okay, all done. I'll see you guys at lunch. All right, it is lunchtime now. We have Remy here, and she's helping me make lunch. I just prepped a super simple chicken salad using a rotisserie chicken, which I love rotisserie chickens. One, they're just super good, and two, obviously they're very easy and quick. In my chicken salad, I keep it very simple. I'm not someone that loves fruit in mine, so I know that's pretty common, but I just kept mine really simple with celery, onion, mayo, salt, pepper, and the chicken, obviously. And sometimes I'll put this on either a sandwich or a wrap, but because tonight we're gonna be making pitas, I believe, I wanted to keep it a little bit lighter, and I'm gonna use just greens, kind of put it over a bed of lettuce, and then maybe add some other vegetables and maybe have a couple pita chips or something on the side just for a little crunch. But yeah, that's what's for lunch. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that all together. All right, I'm gonna start with a little bed of greens, just like a mixed blend. And then I'm gonna do like a cup of the chicken salad. Then I'm gonna put some cucumbers, some Kalamata olives. Then I have some hot peppers. And then I'm gonna do just a couple pita chips. All right, we have our lunch, which I'm super excited about. It looks amazing, and I'm starving because it is 2:45 and I'm just eating lunch, which I usually eat like right around noon, so I'm starving. The hot peppers are my favorite part. They're so good on this. I add them to my sandwich and everything. I just think they're so good and add like a little extra like flavor to the salad, and they're just amazing. The best part about making this is I'll have it for the next couple days, so I can kind of make one of these little snack plates or make a wrap or a sandwich or something. Even though I'm super busy obviously with the baby right now, I love cooking, so I'm still like, I don't know, finding time to do that because it just kind of makes my day feel a little bit more normal, because right now my life just seems, you know, it's obviously way different than it used to be. So yeah, I've been enjoying cooking still, but I just need to like find recipes that are a little faster, because a lot of the times our dinners will take us like an hour or more, and I mean, that just isn't gonna work right now. So I still am trying to cook a lot, but just trying to find quicker recipes that won't take forever. What are your guys' favorite types of videos to watch right now? Mine are definitely this type of video, like a what I eat in a day or like what I eat in a week. One of those videos. I don't know, they make me so hungry and make me want to cook. And I've actually found some like really good recipes while watching them. So those are my favorite right now. What are your favorites? Hopefully this one. I was just introduced to this and I really like it. It is one of like the sparkling waters. I feel like there's a zillion brands out there right now, and I honestly usually just buy LaCroix, but I really like this. It's by Spindrift, and I just got the lemon flavor. So it's just sparkling water and then lemon juice. So it tastes like sparkling lemon water, which I'm all for, and I really like this. I feel like it's perfect for the summer too. So try that if you haven't tried it. I know there's a bunch of different flavors, but I just usually stick to lemon because that's my favorite. All right, that was a very good lunch, and now I have a sweet tooth, so I'm trying to sort that out and see what I'm gonna have. So I'm gonna clean up this mess, and then I'll check in with you guys once I decide what I'm gonna have. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. I'm down to just waste. Okay, for my snack, I had this pineapple that needs to be cut up, so I'm gonna cut that up, have some of that, and then have a couple of these chocolate coconut almonds that are so good. They're from Trader Joe's, and they're amazing. They taste a lot like the Samoa Girl Scout cookies that I didn't get any of this year, and I miss them. So this is just gonna have to do for now, but that is what I'm gonna have for my snack. I'm gonna just waste time right below your waistline. Want you by my head. I'm doing all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed. Can't spend time alone. Give you my hoodie just so you can smell my cologne. Don't like all All right, it is dinner time and we are making Greek chicken pitas and a Greek inspired salad. So David is gonna grill the chicken and then I'm in charge of making the salad, and basically the rest is just chopping up a bunch of vegetables and making the tzatziki sauce. So it's all very easy, but it's like one of our favorite things to make, and it's something good, I feel like, when it starts to warm up outside. So that is what we're gonna do for dinner tonight, and I'm gonna start with the tzatziki sauce so that it can sit for just a little bit. So let's go. Okay, so for the tzatziki sauce, I am just gonna combine some plain Greek yogurt. I usually hate yogurt, so if you don't like yogurt, you still will like this. Trust me, I am like the least fan of yogurt. I just do not like it. And then I'm gonna put in a little bit of lemon juice. And then I'm gonna chop a little cucumber really small, so just dice cucumber, and then also I'm gonna dice some fresh dill. I usually use dried dill, but we have fresh, so I'm gonna use that. Okay, and then just put that into the yogurt. And then salt and pepper. All right, I'm gonna throw this in the refrigerator until we're ready to eat. Okay, so now I'm gonna cut up the vegetables for the actual pitas. So we do cucumber, red onion, and tomato. So I'm gonna cut up a bunch of that. For the salad, I'm gonna put a little feta at the bottom. Then we're gonna put some cucumbers and some tomatoes, and then some really thinly sliced red onion, and then Kalamata olives. And then I'm gonna pour over just a little Greek dressing that we made. Okay, and this is the Greek salad. It is so good, it's so light, and we just love it. So here's our salad, and now we just have to make our pitas. So now we got the chicken off the grill, so I'm just gonna slice some of this chicken. I'm gonna start with the tzatziki sauce and just put that all over the pita. And take some chicken and then just top it with some tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, and then I do just some fresh dill. All right, so we have our salad. I'm just gonna try a little bit of it and then gonna eat dinner with David. So we actually had this salad at a restaurant once, and we just recreated it because we loved it so much. Trying to get a little bit of everything. It's so good. I know I already said it, but it's like so light.
How's the dressing on it?
But the dressing's amazing. David made the dressing, so I didn't video that, but it's so good. I should definitely try it this summer. So good. Okay, now the pita, which looks also amazing. The key is to grill your chicken. That makes such a difference. I think grilled chicken is just way better.
That looks like a really good pita too.
Yeah. Yeah, pita, a good pita makes a difference too. Okay, this is amazing. Okay, I normally would sit and eat a little bit more with you guys, but I'm gonna eat dinner with David before the baby wakes up. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.